Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the dialer application and then go to the contacts, tap on the three dots and go to the settings where you'll find import export option. So you want to tap on it, and from here select that you want to import from SIM. This will show you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So simply select the ones that you want to import. You do have a handy little option right here to select all of them. So if you don't want all, but for instance a majority of your contacts, you could go with select all and then simply deselect the ones that you don't want if this will be quicker for you. But once you have selected everything that you want, simply tap on import, phone, and there we go, it's now imported. And if we go back, you'll see there's some contacts right over here. As you can see, some of them have this gray icon of a SIM card and some of them don't. The ones with the icon are the ones that are on the SIM card, so if I were to remove that SIM card, half of those contacts would just kind of disappear. But that is how you would import them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.